The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults stands out in a crowded market of e-bikes with its impressive 700W peak power, a versatile 7-speed transmission, and a user-friendly step-through design. This electric bike is crafted for every type of rider, making it an ideal choice for commuting, leisurely rides, or even tackling more challenging terrains. One of the most striking features of the MOONCOOL Electric Bike is its powerful 700W peak motor. This motor provides a robust performance that enables the bike to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it an excellent option for those who need to cover longer distances in a shorter amount of time. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, which is particularly beneficial when navigating urban environments or merging into traffic. With a peak power output of 700W, users can expect a remarkable uphill performance, allowing riders to conquer steep inclines with ease. This is a significant advantage for city dwellers who often face hilly routes on their daily commutes. The bike's 7-speed transmission system also contributes to its versatility. Riders can effortlessly shift gears to match their riding conditions, whether they're cruising on flat roads or climbing hills. The gear changes are fluid and intuitive, providing a natural riding experience. This feature not only enhances the bike's efficiency but also allows riders to conserve battery life by choosing lower power settings when needed. The step-through design is another standout characteristic of the MOONCOOL Electric Bike, making it accessible to a wider range of users. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may have mobility challenges or for anyone in a hurry who wants a quick and easy way to mount and dismount the bike. The frame is both sturdy and lightweight, constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy that ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. The bike's geometry is well thought out, providing a comfortable riding position that reduces strain on the back and arms. In terms of battery performance, the MOONCOOL Electric Bike does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a reliable lithium-ion battery that offers a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and power settings. This range is impressive, particularly for an e-bike at this price point. Riders can choose between different modes: electric, pedal assist, or traditional biking, allowing for greater flexibility in usage. The inclusion of a smart battery management system ensures longevity and safety, preventing overcharging and enhancing battery efficiency. When it comes to safety features, MOONCOOL has equipped this bike with powerful front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The responsive braking system enhances rider confidence, especially when navigating busy streets or riding downhill. Additionally, the bike is fitted with bright LED lights, ensuring visibility during evening rides, which is a crucial safety aspect for urban cyclists. Another noteworthy aspect is the bike's suspension system. The front fork features a suspension mechanism that effectively absorbs shocks and bumps, providing a smoother ride over rough terrain. This is especially advantageous for riders who frequently encounter uneven surfaces or potholes, as it enhances comfort and control. Aesthetically, the MOONCOOL Electric Bike is visually appealing. It combines a sleek, modern design with practical functionality. The available color options allow riders to choose a style that suits their personality, and the overall finish is high quality, ensuring that the bike looks as good as it performs. However, no product is without its drawbacks. While the bike is designed for comfort, some users may find the seat to be less cushioned than desired for longer rides. Upgrading to a more ergonomic seat might be necessary for those planning extended cycling sessions. Additionally, assembly can be somewhat challenging for those who are not mechanically inclined, though the included manual provides detailed instructions. In conclusion, the MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a well-rounded e-bike that excels in power, versatility, and user-friendly features. With its robust motor, 7-speed transmission, step-through design, and impressive battery life, it caters to a wide audience, from commuters to casual riders.